Each person in this room, each person on this planet, holds within them an incredible, untapped reservoir of potential. We all possess dreams, aspirations, a yearning to achieve something greater. But what often stands between us and the realization of those dreams isn't a lack of talent, opportunity, or even hard work. More often than not, it is the quiet, insidious voice of self-doubt. Today, I want to talk to you about something profoundly transformative: the power of belief, how self-belief unlocks potential and truly makes the impossible possible. Think about it. Every great invention, every societal leap forward, every personal triumph started with a single, unwavering belief. The belief that a light bulb could illuminate the night, that humans could fly, that a seemingly insurmountable challenge could be overcome. These weren't just fleeting thoughts. They were convictions that fueled relentless effort, inspired innovation, and ultimately turned the unimaginable into reality. Why self-belief is so powerful? Firstly, self-belief is the catalyst for action. When you believe you can do something, you're far more likely to try. You're more likely to take that first daunting step, to push through discomfort, to persevere when obstacles arise. Without that foundational belief, the very idea of starting can feel overwhelming, leading to paralysis. Secondly, self-belief shapes your perspective. When you believe in yourself, you view challenges not as roadblocks, but as opportunities for growth. You see setbacks not as failures, but as valuable lessons. This shift in perspective is crucial because it allows you to learn, adapt, and keep moving forward, even when the path is difficult. Thirdly, self-belief attracts success. It's not magic, it's psychological. When you exude confidence and conviction, you inspire trust in others. You draw in the resources, the collaborations, and the support systems necessary to achieve your goals. People are more likely to invest in someone who clearly believes in their own vision. We all have moments of doubt. That's human. But the key is not to let those doubts define you. It's about consciously choosing to nurture and strengthen your belief in yourself. Cultivating self-belief. How do we cultivate this powerful self-belief? 1. Start small, celebrate often. Begin with achievable goals. As you accomplish them, no matter how minor, acknowledge your success. Each small win builds momentum and reinforces your capability. 2. Challenge negative self-talk. Become aware of the negative stories you tell yourself. Are they true, or are they just limiting beliefs you've adopted? Actively dispute them and replace them with empowering affirmations. 3. Learn from your experiences. Every challenge, every setback, every success holds valuable lessons. Reflect on what you've learned and how you've grown. This builds resilience and reinforces your ability to overcome future obstacles. 4. Surround yourself with believers. Seek out people who lift you up, who encourage your dreams, and who see your potential. Their belief in you can be a powerful mirror, reflecting your own strengths back to you. 5. Visualize your success. Before you even begin, spend time imagining yourself achieving your goal. Feel the emotions of success. This mental rehearsal primes your mind for positive outcomes. The power of the impossible. Remember, the impossible is often just a matter of perspective, a limitation we impose on ourselves. The history of humanity is a testament to the fact that what seems impossible today can become commonplace tomorrow, solely because someone dared to believe. So I urge you, starting today, to examine the beliefs you hold about yourself. Are they empowering you, or are they holding you back? Recognize the incredible power you possess, the untapped potential waiting to be unleashed. Believe in your ideas, believe in your talent, believe in your resilience, believe in your ability to learn and adapt, and most importantly, believe in yourself. Because when you truly believe, you unlock a force within you that can make the impossible not just possible, but inevitable. Thank you.